Welcome to another Plaky tutorial. My name is Julian Griffin, and today we're going to cover an important subject in managing your tasks in Plaky, and you can do that with Task Overview. If you need a quick glance of where you stand with your progress, using this particular set of features will give you a crystal clear look at where you are and how you're doing in whatever project you're working on, and give you insight on other projects and tasks as well. So let's not waste any more time and dive right into it. I know what you're thinking. What is the Task Overview and how can I use it? Simply put, the Task Overview is a feature in Plaky that gives you a quick visual of all the important information about an item. This feature gathers data from your item and presents it in an easy-to-read card format called the item card, displaying all relevant information in one place and saving you precious time. Just click on your item to open the item card. Alternatively, to create a new item with existing fields, navigate to New Item and choose New Item Advanced. Within the Task Overview interface, users can get into the specifics and details of individual tasks. This includes comprehensive information such as task descriptions, assigned team members, due dates, priority levels, and associated files or comments. Users can update task statuses, mark them as complete, assign them to team members, set deadlines, and track progress directly from the Task Overview feature. Overall, the Task Overview feature is a major ace in the hole for team communication, coordination, and collaboration when keeping track of progress and managing tasks. The summary or summary row in Plaky pulls data from multiple fields from groups across the board, providing users with customizable metrics such as sum, count, average, and more. You can check the project summary in the table or Kanban view, where you can check the key metrics of each project's progress. In the table view, you can apply the numbers, status, tag, person, and date fields. You can also switch them off if you're only looking for specific fields or metrics. Users can also customize summary rows for certain fields such as the numbers field, status field, priority, etc. The numbers field can also be customized by changing the unit, alignment, and function. In the Kanban view, the summary row is set at the top and valid for the status field and provides a comprehensive overview of all statuses associated with each item group. This is a solid feature for fostering collaboration, giving each team member a firm understanding of the important metrics of each project. All in all, having a summary makes the process of managing a project so much easier and clearer. We recognize how tedious and annoying checking each board for a progress report can be. So, we decided to include a one-click solution where you can see all updates at once. The home page in Plaky is the central hub for accessing important information, tracking progress, and collaborating with team members in the most efficient way possible, helping users to stay organized, informed, and productive. The home page is the initial window that appears when you register and log into the Plaky web app. From the home page, you can access recently updated items, boards, spaces, help center, knowledge hub, template center, blog, and send invitations to new users. See? Keeping track of your progress is made super quick and easy. But before I let you go running off and explore all of your progress, let's do a quick recap. The Task Overview feature provides a detailed view of individual tasks, allowing users to manage assignments, deadlines, and progress effectively. The summary row pulls data from multiple fields, offering users customizable metrics and insights. And finally, the homepage serves as a one-stop shop where users can see all of the key info and updates for each project. And that's all there is to it. Thanks again for watching this tutorial. For more information on how to use Plaky, you can visit our website at www.plaky.com and find more videos like this, or visit our YouTube channel. That's all for now, and we'll see you next time.